The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, Mommy Pig and the three little pigs lived in a house in the woods. Mommy Pig did not have enough money to look after all three little pigs. Mommy Pig told the three little pigs that they would have to leave her and make their own fortune. Then the next day, the three little pigs left and went into the woods. They don't see a big bad wolf watching them from behind a tree. The wolf was hungry and wanted to eat the three little pigs. Then the three little pigs met a man with some straws. The first little pig asked the man if he could have some straw to build his house with. The man said he could and gave him some straws. Then the first little pig made a house from the straw. He was very happy with his straw house. The other two little pigs waved goodbye and carried on through the woods. The first little pig went into the straw house. Then the two little pigs met a man carrying sticks. The second little pig asked the man if he could have some sticks to build his house with. The man said he could and gave him some sticks. He gave it. Then the second little pig made a house from the sticks. He was very happy with the house made from sticks. The third little pig waved goodbye and carried on through the woods. Second little pig went into his house made from sticks. The third little pig met a man pushing a wheelbarrow filled with bricks. He asked the man if he could have some bricks to build his house. Which the man said he could and gave him some bricks. Then the third little pig worked very hard and made his house from bricks. He was very happy with his house made from bricks. He wanted his house to be stronger than the other two pigs. The big bad wolf went to the first little pig house. He looked in the window and saw the first little pig. The wolf knocked on the door. The wolf asked if he could come in, but the first little pig would not let the wolf come inside. The big bad wolf huffed and puffed. Blow the house made from straw away. The first little pig ran to the second little pig house. The big bad wolf went to the second little pig's house, which made up of sticks. He looked inside and saw the two little pigs. He knocked on the door and asked if he could come in, but the two little pigs would not let him go inside. Then the big bad wolf huffed and puffed. He blew the house made from stick away. The two little pigs ran to the third little pig's house. The big bad wolf went to the third little pig's house. He looked in the window and knocked on the door. The third little pig were all in the house together. The big bad wolf asked if he could come in, but the third little pig would not let him go inside. Then the big bad wolf huffed and puffed, but he could not blow the house made from bricks away. The brick house was too strong for the wolf. Then the big bad wolf carried a ladder to the house. He was going to climb down the chimney and into the house that way. The big bad wolf climbed the ladder and onto the roof. He was very happy that he could eat the 3 little pigs today. Then he went into the house. The big bad wolf jumped into the chimney. He landed into a pot of boiling water. The 3 little pigs had put the pot on the fire underneath of the chimney. Then the big bad wolf burned badly. He jumped out of the pond and ran out of the house. The 3 little pigs was very happy. They did not have to fear the wolf anymore. They lived happily ever after. Okay, the moral of the story is don't take the shortcuts in life. Hard work always pays off in the end.